Hi there, fellow guitar players. Welcome to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg Salterman. I recently came across this very cool tune called Bring Me to Life by Levy Step. This is a bit of an underrated Canadian band, and the progression is so beautiful I just had to make a lesson out of it. So let me just demo it to you, and then you be the judge if you want to learn it. Wow, what a great tune. So I actually put a link up here for you so you can check out the tune before you start learning it. This is a great example of how to spice up your rhythm playing by incorporating a few hammer-ons, some pull-offs, some other techniques. And this song has very much a little bit of a Hendrix feel. The cool thing is that this type of technique you can apply to your playing all around. Once you know how to play a chord and do these various hammer-ons and pull-offs, then you can apply that to various other pieces that you might be playing. So in this lesson I'm going to break down that progression chord by chord, lick by lick, so you can put it together. And I actually added a few of my own things to it, and I will point out where I do this, so you can either decide to leave it in or take it out. If you get something out of my lessons, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notified when new lessons go up. Thank you. As always, I will have a backing track for you to practice this piece over, and of course a link to the guitar tab. Both are in my description, so hit the links and you'll get access to both of these things absolutely for free. If you listen to the original recording, there's a beautiful solo after the fourth verse. Have a listen to it. If you dig it like I do, send me a note via the comment section in the YouTube video, and let me know if you would like me to create a lesson for that lead solo. Okay, let's go break down that beautiful progression. So beautiful. All right, so we're in the key of E, and so the first lick we're doing. Okay, so we're on E7, E9, A7, A9. And then we'll do a slide, and we'll hit the open E string, and with the ring finger we slide to the 11th fret, A string, and we let that ring. Okay, so part two of this lick, we're getting into this hammer-on pull-off scenario here on the E chord. Okay, but all we bar the E chord with is our index finger, and we'll hammer on the G11. Okay, so we'll hammer on, and then immediately a pull off. And then we'll pick the D11. Okay, and then we'll add this. Okay, again we'll hit both strings, the D and the G, and we'll do a hammer on with the G on the 11. And we'll keep this barred all the time. Okay, so next comes this. So we go back here from the A9, A7, and we go to the E9. And then with our thumb, we'll hit the 7th E. And then we'll have to press right away the F shape here, basically the F chord, right? So, okay, then we'll do a strum here. Okay, and then it comes this hammer-on pull-off thing again. First we pick the bottom two strings, the B and E, on the 9th fret. And then comes the hammer on, and you can keep this barred. Comes the hammer on and pull off on the B8. Okay, after the hammer on. Okay, back to E7, and then G9. Okay, so I play it up to here. And then we'll go into C sharp minor, B major, and A. Okay, so that's basically the whole progression that gets played over the verse. If you listen to my backing track, then you know that once it gets into the chorus, the progression is slightly different. Chorus section goes E, B, C sharp minor, A, and then it repeats that again, so usually it's 2 of those progressions per chorus, okay? And then it goes back into. These are the chords as they are played originally in a recording, but I play it slightly different, as you probably heard in my demo. So as we come out of this, so I actually do a little hammer on, so I go, I play the chord, and then I use my pinky to hammer on and kind of pull off on the G11. So normal minor bar chord here, C sharp minor bar chord. Okay, so you get that nice little effect. Then we'll go here, we'll play a B bar chord. We'll do that hammer on again with the pinky. The rest of the fingers stay. Okay, and the last one we go, and then the F shape, the same F shape that we played down here. We'll play up here now. Then we just hammer on the 7 G string. Okay, so play it one more time. And then so on and so on. So it's a pretty short piece, but it's a great tune, and these are some great ways to play chords, right? That was a short lesson, but I hope you learned something in the process, and I hope you can apply it to your playing. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon, hopefully.